If you're still trying to sell phone cases or really any other generic product in 2025, I have bad news for you. You're already losing money. I went deep into AutoDS data, TikTok trends, and real store sales, and then I started ranking the most profitable dropshipping niches right now. Let's jump straight into it. So picking the right niche, it's absolutely everything. A bad niche drains your ad budget and really wastes your time. But the right one, it can literally build your entire e-commerce career. So let's rank what's hot, what's profitable, and what you should actually be selling in 2025. Now, I've ranked these based on profit margins, trend life, product variety, automation potential, and really how easy it is to go viral on TikTok or on any shorts platform like Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts. Now, also be sure to stick around because yeah, I've also got some sleeper picks in here too that you probably weren't expecting. All right, so let's just go ahead and start off with number five. Number five, the baby and parenting niche. Parents don't play when it comes to their kids. I've said this over and over before. And really, they'll buy pretty much anything that saves time, lowers stress, and ensures a happy and healthy baby. Think things like stroller organizers, portable bottle warmers, and things like developmental toys. These are very important. As a marketing angle, think about this. Instead of just showing off something like a bottle warmer in your marketing and adding the text, I don't know, best product for your baby in 2025, something cheap and generic, get creative and solve problems. Get personal. Don't sound like you just want to really just make a sale, even though that's what we all really want to do. Instead, show the problem being solved. This bottle warmer saved my life. And then go to showing a baby crying in, the middle of the mall and just everyone looking at you or the baby. Follow it up with giving the baby a bottle that was just warmed with that portable bottle warmer. Obviously show how it works and voila. You have yourself a relatable ad that parents will resonate with. All right. Up next at number 4, we have productivity and tech accessories. Work from anywhere culture is still thriving and it's not going anywhere. People want cleaner setups and smarter tech. Standing desk converters, phone stands, portable monitors, and a lot more. These sell because they make people feel efficient from the comfort of their own home or wherever it is that they're working from. I'm gonna give you a game. Guess in the comments below who you think would be your best customer base for this niche, and I'll send you over the cheat sheet with all of the info that I'm covering in this video. So to get the cheat sheet, super easy this time, just drop a comment with the guess of who this niche is best for. Obviously, don't worry about it. At the end of the video, I am going to reveal that to you, so make sure you stick around. All right, number 3, home and kitchen. TikTok loves before and after transformations, and that's where home and kitchen gadgets shine. Think LED lights, organizers, and viral tools like, automatic soap dispensers or automatic can openers. Those are big. Oh, also automatic fruit peelers. These are absolutely amazing. They save your hands from getting cut or from getting super nasty and sticky when you're peeling something like, a mango. And that's a problem that you can actually show in your ad and how the automatic fruit peeler will fix that for you. Now, this niche is perfect for things like bundles and upsells. So automation through AutoDS actually makes this a lot easier because you can upload as many products as you want or as many products as you need using the automatic product importer to, again, just import all of these products all at once. You can also even use the AutoDS Google Chrome extension to upload all of these products as you're simply just scrolling online and coming across them. All right, next up at number 2, we have pets. Now, if you're a seasoned viewer, if you've been watching this channel for a while, then you know that this is one of my favorite, hands down, niches. I love the pets niche because it's so easy to market. Literally any video that you upload to TikTok can gain views by simply adding your dog or a cat to it. Bonus points if they do something silly or something funny. Or honestly, just sit there looking cute. Just give a couple of puppy eyes, people will make a purchase like that. People treat their pets like family. And that means premium spending. From treat launchers to dog car seats. Yeah, that's a real thing. This niche has crazy potential. All right, finally, let's reveal number 1. Health and wellness. This niche has real staying power. Massage guns, posture correctors, supplements, and really anything that screams self-care is absolutely killing it right now in the market and for the foreseeable future. Now, something that absolutely slaps in this niche as well is before and after transformations, if you have a relevant product, of course. Take, for example, before and after pictures of acne creams or hair products that add volume. Oh, speaking of acne, if you really want to go viral, try this. Beware though, you do need a strong stomach. Start popping pimples. It's nasty, huh? Well, Regardless of what you and I think, it's a very, very satisfying thing to watch apparently. Videos like that do absolutely millions of views on TikTok. I don't know why, because honestly, I just think it's nasty. But it doesn't really matter what you and I think because people love to watch it due to the satisfying aspect of it. That's nasty. All right, before we go, let's go ahead and cover some honorable mentions, shall we? So for one, we have DIY crafts, car accessories, jewelry, and anything eco-friendly or reusable. All are still profitable when done right. DIY and crafts can actually be marketed to somebody you weren't expecting, and that is towards entrepreneurs, people who make things and sell them, like on an Etsy platform or Etsy sellers. Now, as for car accessories, there's tons of options. From simple stickers to tire inflators and OBD2 readers, you'll never run out of options to offer. Jewelry, I've said this before, it's the perfect gift for literally any occasion to give or to receive. And of course, eco-friendly products. Everyone wants to go green and help the environment in any possible way. And buying green products is one of the easiest ways for people to do that. It gives them a sense of fulfillment or like they're helping out for a greater cause. Now, no matter what niche you choose, you can always automate your entire dropshipping business using AutoDS. You can find trending products, import them to your store, connect with reliable suppliers, and fulfill orders without ever touching a single box or shipping label yourself. You can be almost pretty much fully hands-off with your business, saving you tons of time from doing mundane and boring day-to-day tasks. Time that can be used better elsewhere, like, I don't know, product research and marketing. So I have a question for you. Which niche are you diving into this year, or really at the start of next year when it comes to time for 2026? Because we already know that's right around the corner. I'd love to hear your input on this. Just drop it down in the comments below. And oh, wait, I almost forgot. For number 4 in the tech niche, one of the best audiences that you can target would be digital nomads. Their lives literally revolve around remote work and technology. So they're the perfect audience. So if you're ready to finally start getting serious with your dropshipping business, grab AutoDS right now for just $1 for the trial period for the next 2 weeks and start automating your entire business today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, sub, and comment if you enjoyed this video. With that, my name is Mario with AutoDS, and I'll catch y'all next time.